Hey dolls, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So, this is my hair, guys. I ordered from Unice hair. It is 100% virgin hair. And I got 3 bundles. I got I believe this is, well, I don't know which, oh, it's right here. So I got a 24-inch, I have a closure, and I have a 22-inch as well. And I also have a 24-inch. So I got 2 24s and a 22. And my closure is a 18-inch closure. Okay. So I'm actually getting ready to go to my hair appointment. I am getting my hair blown out first, and then I'm gonna go and get my sew-in. So I will be taking you guys with me, and yeah. Hey girl, hey! I got my hair blued out. Anyway, I am headed to my hair appointment, guys. Like, I'm so excited because I'm just excited, you know. I didn't really do my hair a lot like I thought I was gonna do it with me wearing my natural hair, so it's been looking a mess. So I'm excited to get my hair done. You know, I got my smoothie. You know, I'm all healthy this week, you know. But yeah, so I'm just headed to my hair appointment, and it's at 5:30 and it's 5:27, but I'm going to be on time because it's just down the road. The claws, boo. How could I forget? Y'all look at my nails. Cute. You baby. Bougie. Yes. I do this every time, y'all, though. Like, I'll go in a nail salon, I'll be like, okay, today I'm getting something simple. Like, I'm just gonna get something simple. I don't need, you know. That's not what happened today. That's not what happened today. I really didn't even plan to get all of this on every single nail, but somehow she talks me into it every single time. You know, I don't even think she talks me into it. I think she just does it, and I just pay for it. But you know, I can't complain because I really love them. Like, I love them. I know I said that last time, but that's a good thing when your nail tech can just outdo herself every single time. Like, every single time. I mean, what can I say? I can't complain. Wait, we just riding, honey. Riding in silence because I don't want. Ooh, y'all hear them pipes? Let me tell you, the people who know me, now I know my best friend, but she's the same way. Certain loud noises, I cannot do all that loud noise. It scares me. Not only does it scare me, it's just too much. It's way too much. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So, what was I about to say? Y'all can see my hair more now. It's kind of cute like this, ain't it? Child boo, honey boo. What 30-year-old? Well, I'm not 30. I don't even know why I keep saying that. Shoot, I'm knocking on the door. I might as well be. But I'm 28, guys. I'll be 29 next month. I mean, no, not next month. I keep saying that too. That's how you know I'm getting old, because I'm just real forgetful. No, I won't be 29 until November, but ooh, y'all see this truck behind me? See, I don't like people be riding my tail like that either. That's just too much. I'm in a good mood today, so I ain't doing no brake checks. We fully insured over here, boo-boo. So he might want to back it up. I mean, look how close he is to me, y'all. I ain't going no faster. I'm in the slow lane, too. That's ridiculous. But it's okay. Stuff like that don't even make me... Yeah, you better go around, boo. Stuff like that don't even make me mad. Cause I ain't going no faster. That was ridiculous. That's how you get in wrecks, honey. Right down. I sound like an old lady. I sound like an old lady, I know. A little old country lady. But anyway, I am pulling up to my destination. I'm just excited, y'all, because I just, you know, I'm ready to get cute. Right. It's neat. Period.
Honey, let the man do some of the work. Sean is my list guy. How can I fix it? Okay, now I'm confused. Isn't that too controlling?
Babe, I look like a little boy. But just give me a few seconds. Just
No, it's not. Girl, you so stupid.
You have 24 hours.
see, with this hair, my last curly hair, I dyed it and did all that bleaching. I'm not doing that with this because it takes away from
It do. That's what I be trying to
the
tell
curl
people.
pattern.
It take away from the curl pattern. It get the make the texture feel a little more rough.
It does.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not touching it at all.
Now, sometimes you can hit these companies up and you can just ask them to color it for you. There might be a little extra, but they do offer that. Even the companies on Amazon, they'll offer it too. They just don't. We about to get ready to cover them up. You okay?
It's the edges for me. Oh, I might have to buy this now. I ain't got no pink one.
I think I got it. Ain't this color pink though. That's the one from last time. I think I got light pink and white. I think I got pink lip. I think.
Okay. So this is my hair before it gets wet. You know, big and fabulous like me. It's not that bad like this, but I know I wouldn't keep it like this.
You sure?
Yeah, look, we're gonna wait it up. We'll wait it up. We got time to wear it both ways.
Oh yeah.
It is cute like this though.
I was thinking that you're the one that helped me sell my first painting, so I wanted to thank you, and suddenly it hit me.
I knew you big cover.
Real Belgian rice.
What if you can't afford this?
I got paint on your own. And, well, the point is I was thinking maybe we could christen it tonight.
It's been a long day. I'm feeling a little iffy. Maybe I'll be small. I'm still running to the shower.
Oh, come on, baby. You know you always smell good to me.
Smog, lots of smog. Funky? Who are you calling funky? You hurt my feelings. Just get out.
Girl, shut up. She doing anything to stop him from wanting to do it.
She killed me. I love her hair. All it needs is a slick front.
Yeah.
That is it.
Girl, why you ain't freshen up before you left?
Stupid.
Why would you come home like that?
There's something I need to tell you, and I haven't quite figured out how to say it yet.
Just say it. That's the best way.
Joe,
Me too.
honey, I've been offered a job in New York.
In New York?
Yeah, it's a really great job. I could really boost my career. It would only
You make
be
sure
6
you
months.
tag Unice because they do repost people's stuff.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am. They are a well-known company.
Oh, well, honey, y'all gonna get cute, honey.
They well-known, honey.
Get cute, Mom.
I used to do reviews for them years ago when I first started doing it.
Real sex.
Oh, baby, yeah, I got to have this pink, baby.
I'm not patio under the stars.
The stars aren't going anywhere. It's only for a few months.
Okay.
And as soon as I get back, we can pick up right where we left off.
And where exactly are we leaving off?
It's something really good.
That's it? You don't have anything else to say to me?
Now, this is the deep wave, right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's either deep wave or the water wave, but that's the one.
Yeah,
that I
it's
think-
deep. Cause
Yeah, I like that deep wave. I like their deep wave in particular because it's not the deep wave you would expect.
Yeah. And see, that's what I was saying, because I went there a little bit, because I be trying to see what, you know, and I kept saying, dang, this is different. It ain't like the one I ordered from Maven. I actually like this better. This the look that I was going for when I ordered from Maven, but, because it kind of got a little Jerry curl look to it, just a little
So did
bit.
you end up ordering this one through Amazon, or did you order it through
Through their actual site.
their actual site? Okay, they on Amazon too. So if you
Okay.
don't want to order from them and you scared it ain't gonna be here like within the time frame that you need, order from Amazon. They have like prime shipping and everything on this hair.
See,
A lot of my
I
clients I used them before. Like a lot of those big companies, they got Amazon vendors. They on
yeah.
Amazon. Well, put it this way, they on Amazon as a vendor.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be scared to order off Amazon hair off Amazon, because I'll be like, I don't know. Hell, I ain't know about this either, but I was like, well.
Don't be scared, girl.
Ooh, excuse me.
You got home so early.
What? I can go to my own house early? Last time I checked the mailbox said Tony Childs.
Just a question.
The better question is, what are you doing here?
I came to get my good shirt. I am meeting someone for dinner.
A woman?
Yeah, a woman.
Are you sleeping with her?
Girl, why you worried? Yeah.
Look, Greg, I have chlamydia.
Oh my God, Tommy, you okay?
Dun, 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 dun. Let me zoom in for y'all. Let me face the ring light so y'all can see the real deal. Who you know?
Okay.
Oh, I'll wait.
Okay. So pretty.
It really is.
So pretty. Let me close it a little bit.
Period.